Yeah, what's going on? So today we got a video from Body Cam Watch, and the title of the video is When an Evicted Tenant Refuses to Leave. Let's get into the video. Let's see what they talking about.
On April 25th, 2024, an officer responded to a call regarding an evicted tenant refusing to leave.
Hey, ma'am. What's your name? What is it? Milan? Do you have an ID on you? So I'll let you know right now. I talked to the deputy that served the paperwork. He notified me that you were properly evicted.
The deputy came today, evicted her out, and he had him change the lock.
The deputy had you change the lock?
Deputy Curry.
Hey, Deputy Curry, it's Officer Michael Price, Daytona Beach.
She was evicted properly earlier.
Okay.
She went, took her legal paperwork, went to the courthouse, filed 2 separate motions. I got notice from the courts. Both motions were denied.
Okay.
I did go to the courthouse. I gave them all type of evidence to show them exactly what's going on. So this is the information I have. I couldn't see the judge.
5 months she ain't pay rent. Oh yeah, she gotta go.
Denied, no legal basis.
Gotta go.
So I understand. I already have that.
There's plenty of legal basis.
I understand that you believe that there's plenty of legal basis, but they've already denied your judgment,
I understand.
which means, so if you understand that,
I have 24 hours to
ma'am,
be evicted. I need to
ma'am,
get access
you've already
back.
been evicted.
I'm not evicted. I need
Okay.
to get access back.
They're not giving you access back to your stuff. I just want to let you know.
I need to get access.
I just want to let you know right now. At this point, it doesn't seem like we're kind of getting anywhere, and I really don't want to escalate it to the next level. I'm just letting you know. You've been properly evicted.
Listen.
May I speak, please?
I've been getting on.
May I speak, please?
One around for like almost 8
Okay.
years now.
Okay.
For almost 8 years.
Okay. I'm gonna explain to you as simple as I can. They've evicted you. Okay. You went to the court. Your actions were denied. Okay. Which means you've been properly evicted. Which means you no longer have any tenant rights to this place. If you would like to grab your stuff, you can call them at a later date and arrange to grab your stuff. But as of right now, you've been legally evicted, and they do not want you on the property. So I have to ask you to leave the property. If you refuse to leave the property, I'm gonna place you under arrest. Okay?
I need to get my stuff.
I'm telling you right now. As I just said,
This is a long history. Sir.
I'm letting you know right now, ma'am.
This is a long
If
history.
I don't want to place you on arrest, but at this point in time, you're giving me no recourse.
This is a long history.
You're giving me no Can you please leave the property?
Okay. I want you to
No,
understand
we're not doing any of that.
That is
No,
the side of
no,
my story.
no,
There's no
no,
legal basis
no.
for me to get the support
Negative.
back.
Will you leave the property? Yes or no?
But now,
Will you leave the property? Yes or no, ma'am?
enforcing the law,
Ma'am,
there's
will
plenty of legal
you
basis.
leave the property? Yes or no?
No,
Okay. Do me a favor, stand up.
no.
47 Central. Is there another unit close by?
I need to speak to the supervisor.
There.
The gentleman that you
Yes,
did
3
talk
Charlie
to, I need to speak to him.
He does not want to speak to you. They've already properly evicted you.
No,
At this point, you're going to go to jail for trespassing.
I'm not for trespassing. How is trespassing?
Thank you, 6-1.
How is trespassing?
I've asked you to leave. Yeah, I'm cold for it. I've already asked you to leave. You told me no.
I need to get access to
You
get
do
my
not have-
stuff.
you
I
do
have
not have
plenty of
access to-
stuff.
they've
I
already
have
evicted
plenty
you.
I have plenty of stuff in the apartment.
They do
get
not
access.
want to allow you access to the
What's
to the
reason?
place.
What's the reason?
They don't have to. They don't have to give you a reason. There's no
They don't have to
reason.
give me a reason?
No, they don't.
Why? Why not?
Because they don't have to give you a reason. They've already given you enough time to grab your stuff and leave. You did not do that.
When did they give me plenty of stuff?
When they gave you a notice.
When was that?
I'm just letting you know right now.
When was
You're
that?
going to be placed under arrest.
When was that?
Okay.
When was that?
All right. We'll just wait till my partner gets here. I've tried to explain to you, man.
So 30 days.
There's no legal basis, but now you trying to enforce the law for trespassing?
I'm telling you right now. They don't want you on the property.
There's no legal basis. Where there's plenty
just
of
don't want you
evidence.
on the property.
There's plenty.
That's something
of
you can take up with the
evidence.
court.
I did already.
And
don't
they
wanna
denied it.
see. They don't want to see it.
Then that's where we are right now. Okay. At this point in time, you have to leave the property. I don't want to take you to jail. I really don't. I'm just asking you to leave the property.
Because you know you won't.
No, I'm not
You
wrong.
know you
The
won't.
court has already told you.
You know you won't.
Okay.
The court is wrong. You won't.
Okay.
Even the supervisor. Now the office is closed.
Okay.
Suddenly the office is closed. There's not something fishy about that. Nothing fishy about that.
I guess the guy is right for waiting for backup or whatever, but not saying that, all men are stronger than women and stuff like that, because we do have our special cases. But honestly, I'm gonna ask you 2 times, man. Leave the property. Leave the property. You don't leave, or you tell me no. I'm gonna try and place you under arrest. If you don't want to go under arrest and you want to refuse, I'm gonna tase you. I'm gonna tase you. I'm gonna mace you. I'm gonna hit you with some act right. Cause you think you running the show. You ain't running the show. I gave you 2 times. If I gotta tell you a 3rd time, it's gonna be a problem. And I ain't even gonna, we not even getting to a 3rd time, because I'm not gonna say it. I'm gonna say it 2 times. You better get yourself together. But yeah, that's a wrap. We ain't gonna need backup, none of that. We ain't gonna need, for this? Oh no, we don't need none of that. Man, leave. Crickets? Okay, you wanna talk about, okay. Man, will you leave the property? Whatever, you're being trespassed, blah, blah, blah. Nothing. All right. Act right.
Nothing is fishy about that.
Okay.
This is your country. Have fun.
No.
This is your country. Have fun. No, let me go. Let me go.
You're going to
Let
jail.
me go. This is your country.
You're not.
This is
You're
your
going to
country.
jail.
Have fun. Let me
You're
go.
detained right now. You're not free to go.
Let me
You're
go,
not
sir.
free to go,
Sir,
ma'am.
do not touch me. Let me go.
I'm letting you know
This
you're not
is
free
your
to go.
country.
You're not free to go.
This is your country.
Please do not. Please do not fight.
Let me go.
Do not
Let
resist.
me
Stop resisting.
Let
Please
me
stop
go.
resisting.
Oh, now you want to go.
Let me go.
Please
Too
stop
late.
resisting.
Can you tell me just
Please stop resisting.
let him know to let
Please stop resisting.
let him
Okay? Don't touch her, please.
Oh, we got bystanders? Oh, boy.
Let me go.
Don't make it hard for yourself. Don't
Back away. Please back away.
This is my place right here. Don't
Okay.
make it hard for yourself, honey.
Oh,
This is
here
my
we
place
go.
right here. Don't make it hard. Take it somewhere else. Get off my place. Yeah, get around by my door. Get inside.
I'm going to have a female 1015.
Can you just hold on for me?
Yeah.
Including my first.
Don't say nothing. Please don't say nothing. You know how you know it is. Don't make it.
You can just leave her property right there if you don't mind. Thank you. I appreciate it, man.
Take everything from me. As evidence. Take everything.
You want her to have your property?
You want to take her to jail?
Yeah, she's going to jail.
Want me to put it in my house? I'll keep it, baby. I'll keep it.
Yeah.
Okay.
I'll keep it.
There we go.
Don't fight, sweetie, because you make it hard on yourself. I'll keep it, baby. Please stop.
Can you? I just have to
This
walk
is
her
so
downstairs.
unfair.
Okay.
This is so
We're gonna go
unfair.
downstairs, ma'am.
Yeah, I'm gonna go.
Thank you.
That's evidence. That's evidence. Because you wanna enforce the law when you want to.
Thank you.
You wanna enforce the law when you want to. What's legal, you make it illegal. What's not legal, you make it legal.
You know what's crazy though? Bruh asked for
I will
backup.
go
Backup
with y'all.
ain't arrived
I
yet.
don't
They
mind.
take a long time.
I'm gonna enjoy.
They must be real busy or something.
All right. You're gonna lean your chest on this part of the vehicle right there. Spread your feet for me, please. Shoulder width apart. Shoulder width apart, please. Thank you. Stay on the vehicle, please.
Oh, here we go.
How you doing, ma'am? Hey.
My partner's gonna search you here.
How you doing?
She's just going to jail for trespassing.
How you think she doing?
Okay. I'm Officer Demner. I have to search you prior to you going to jail. Is there anything on you at all that I should know about? Okay. Do you have any questions about the process right now? Okay. Nothing in your pockets, ma'am? Your necklace is going to be taken off at the police department, but you can keep it right now. I'm just letting you know ahead of time, okay?
Tiffany, can you take the bun, whatever hair tie she has?
The hair tie?
Yeah.
Hold on.
Please don't. Please don't.
Hold on. I'm just checking it.
Ma'am, please. What's tying your hair together?
It's just a scrunchie.
Okay. Do you mind taking that off?
Don't take anything
Please.
from my...
Please. It's going to be
Ma'am,
taken
there's
off.
nothing on my hair. Do not touch my hair. There's nothing on my hair. Do not touch
They're
my
going to
hair.
check it at the jail.
And they're going to take
anyway.
it, and you cannot have it in my car.
They do that. They do that.
You cannot have it in my car, ma'am.
I can't do anything. So please do not touch
Listen,
my hair.
we really don't want to escalate this. I'm asking you to stop moving so they can take the scrunchie out. It's going to be taken out at the jail.
This is not with any disrespect. I'm not trying to disrespect you, okay?
Do not touch my hair. I don't have anything. I can't do anything in the car. You handcuff me. Do not
Can you
touch
hold it
my
real quick?
hair.
Yeah, absolutely.
Thank you.
Hold on.
And have a seat.
Watch your head. There you go.
Watch your feet. Thank you. She just would not leave. They already evicted her. She was like,
Okay.
I appreciate your help. Thank you.
What a joke, man. You can't get in my car with the scrunchie. Not even a minute later. All right, man, step in. Have a seat.
All right, ma'am, please step out of the vehicle, please.
If you ain't gonna enforce your own rules, why
Turn
even
around and face
say
the
it?
vehicle. Please don't walk. Just face the vehicle. Thank you. Watch your arm. All right, we're gonna walk to the store over here. Step to your left.
Those reading glasses, your necklace, and you take it off.
Scrunchy.
Instruction.
Yeah.
Are you able to take the?
I can't. I don't have anything in my hair.
It's my prisoner. That scrunchie is not going in there with her. That's a choking hazard.
You're okay.
Sorry, I will not. I don't have anything. I can't do it.
Ma'am, I'm letting you know you're gonna get another charge if you don't take that off.
Okay, you can give me another change.
Okay. Do me a favor, face the wall, please. Turn around, face the wall.
I will
Don't
do not
you-
remove
Ma'am,
it.
hang
Do
tight.
not
Yes.
remove it. Do not.
It's a
remove
choking hazard.
I know you.
it. No, it's not. It's not a choking
tight, grab
hazard.
her.
How is it a choking hazard?
Ma'am, just calm
Face the
down.
wall, please.
Ma'am,
Face the
Do
wall.
not remove that thing
Ma'am.
from my hair.
Ma'am,
Do
ma'am,
not-
you have to calm
do
down.
not
Please.
remove
Ma'am,
it from my
please
hair.
stop.
Do not remove it.
You're-
from my hair.
Listen. Either way, the county is gonna remove it.
What's the reason they want to remove it?
They're not gonna. They're gonna take it off.
It's a
They are.
ponytail. It's a
I
ponytail.
understand. I understand, but it's a choking hazard.
No, it's
People
not.
can use that to
It
choke
doesn't. It
themselves.
doesn't.
Why would I choke
Listen.
myself?
Listen.
Why would I choke myself?
We're not saying you.
Okay,
It's,
why
it's
would
just a policy.
Okay, let me braid my hair first.
Okay, you can take it off.
Remove that.
No, we're not removing the cuffs. You have to take the scrunchie off. Okay, you're gonna have to grab that because that can't stay in here.
I need to remove that so I can braid my hair.
No, you have to grab that. That cannot stay
I
in here.
need to remove that so I can braid my hair.
Man, it's not coming off.
Oh, watching this is pissing me off, dude. If you guys don't freaking grab her, put her on the wall, rip that thing out of her freaking head, and move on up with the situation, what are we doing here? She's running the show. You guys are not even running the show. Who's in charge here? She's doing whatever the hell she wants to do, walking wherever the hell she wants to do. Who the heck told her to go into that cell? Nobody. But you guys are just letting her do whatever she wants to do.
Ma'am, that item is not going to stay in here. You need to remove it.
Who told her to flush anything?
No. I apologize. I've had it before, bro, where someone tried to choke themselves with whatever they got on them. I'm not losing my job because she wants comfort and convenience. My job's more important.
Then they put her in that cell when initially she was gonna go in the cell down the hall. Oh my God, she completely ran the whole show from start to finish. Pathetic.
Watch when I get in the mood. No time for the fakes. When you see me, I see you, no FaceTime. Shoot my shot, green beam. 2K shit that get a nigga lean.